Coming from your experience outside this country, what is the global best practice that Nigeria is yet to adopt?
If you look at Nigeria, there are a lot of practices happening in Nigeria. Some people use the Prince 2, some people use nothing, some people use PMP, which is a product of PMI. You know, Nigeria is a country that has a diverse population, religious, ethnic, political diversities, you know, in Nigeria. And yes, all of my working experience has been in the UK. And having been in the UK and delivering projects for multinationals in the UK, I have come to understand that one of the key things, as you mentioned, the projects are delivered not by how people feel, not by how we think it should be done, not by how my Oga says we should do it, but by following a global best practice. There are frameworks and methodologies for delivering different types of projects. If you're a Federal Ministry of Communications, you can't be delivering projects or technology projects without considering using Agile, or without delivering software projects without using Scrum. You're just going to be going around in circles, wasting time and delivering projects that probably would not even give the actual value. If you are in a construction sector, healthcare sector, financial services sector, there are different methodologies to use. Our job, as a regulatory body, is to make sure that we work with the public and the private sector to streamline these methodologies and frameworks. In fact, we even went a step further to create, or we are creating, a new project management methodology in Nigeria called DUCAP. Now, that methodology is designed for you to be able to deliver projects effectively in an environment such as Nigeria, where you have a diverse ethnic, cultural, and political, strains across the entire country. So that methodology is specifically designed for Nigeria and a lot of, countries that share the same, structure as the Nigerian state. But we cannot just say, oh, we're going to go and adapt something. We must indigenize it. We must make sure it is relevant to what is happening here. And this is the remit that CIPMN has to cover. It's not just about licensing people or giving certificates. No, it is about ensuring that we create a best practice for Nigeria, relevant to Nigeria. We have been working on this methodology, and very soon, we've unveiled it a little bit, but very soon we are going to go all out and produce something that we can use to deliver projects in Nigeria that will be effective, help us save money and time.